Like, so I gotta come to y'all when I'm looking good, because I already have videos that I want to give you guys planned in advance, and I have actually figured out how I'm gonna do my stripper actual haul video. So I have this one jumpsuit that I'm gonna put on underneath all of my outfits I'm gonna try on, because you guys, if you're actually watching my videos when they come up, my spring break video has been taken down by YouTube. They have contacted me and told me that my video has explicit nudity and it goes against the guidelines of YouTube. So they removed my video, and that whatever that's called will not be removed from my channel until June 21st, 2019. And that's not till I fucking graduate, bitch. So I gotta be real conscious, because I'm not even monetized yet, and I don't want them to shut my channel down right when I have people that need me. So you guys, I'm gonna come to you guys with, I'm really gonna get y'all this haul, because I've been thinking about it. Just like my music playlist, one of my subscribers like a couple months ago asked for this playlist, but I never told y'all this. I had put up a video that I had to quickly remove because they gave me a copyright strike because it had the music in it. Hey, I know some people are like, this girl doesn't care about us, she's not giving us every single content that we want, and that's not the case. Like, I have not been able to tell y'all what's been going on, because I just been making videos as they come. Normally when I'm driving, a lot of inspiration comes and I start talking about things that, this water in my trunk, when I'm driving and I remember the topics that I said I wanted to talk about. So I want to actually so last time we spoke, as far as a real true story time, was about the time I started private dancing. And I told you guys I did a couple private shows for him, but he turned into my sugar daddy. So this young guy, this old man, he's like 59 or something like that. I don't even know how old he is. He has no kids. And kind of found out, he told me he had a girlfriend. The girlfriend was, I think she was like Muslim. She was very pretty, actually. And she was a travel, the flight attendants. So she was always on the road, always gone, always in the air. And they never got to spend any time together, and he was lacking like that companionship, that female companionship. That's why he started getting private shows from strippers and stuff like that. So he was telling me how he wants to take me out on a couple of dates just so we can get to know each other just a little bit better outside of the whole me dancing for him. So we actually went out on a date. We went to Red Lobster. That was by my choice, because that's like the only restaurants I really know. And that day it went really good. I was really timid. I was kind of scared because I actually ended up going in his car. And like I said, ladies, last time when I met up with him, I drove my own car, but this time I let him come pick me up. By the end of the day, it was like, okay, you know, I kind of trust him just a little bit more. But again, this is only my third interaction with him, so I'm not putting my guard down. He was just telling me, like, anything that you need, I do want to be able to help you out. And I know that you're in college. I know that you know, you're dancing. You're not dancing for no reason. So I'm pretty sure you know you need money and stuff like that. He was like, I'll just call you whenever I'm ready for a private show. So in my mind, you know, I'm thinking, you know, the guys don't, like, I was thinking like it probably won't be like another month or so until he calls me and asks me to do a private show. But later on that week, he asked me to do another private show for him. So this is where it kind of went bad. This was only the second private show, and this one we were supposed to meet, and I flaked because I just didn't feel like going no more. I didn't feel like driving, because the hotel that we go to, he stays in Boca Raton. If you're from South Florida, you know where Boca Raton is. I stay in Miami Gardens. Basically, I stay in Opelika, Carroll City. So that's where my school is located, over in Carroll City. Not over in Carroll City, over in Miami Gardens / Opelika, right on the border. So that's almost an hour and a half away. If you're not taking the tolls, it's like an hour and a half away. So he ended up, can I get money from this? No, I can't get money from that though. He ended up telling me like, oh well, I really do want to, you know, do a private show with you. How about we just rescheduled for another week or so. So, okay, another week or so came, and this was like a Tuesday night. I remember this was a Tuesday night because I just had my poetry troupe meeting, and we only meet Tuesdays and Thursdays, and it was early in the week. I'm gonna tell you why I was early in the week because we're gonna get to the rest of the story, right? So it had been like a month or two. Everything was smooth sailing. Let me tell you. So this is October of last year. If anybody follows me on social media, I had posted some pictures of coronation. Coronation is actually one of my highlights on my Instagram page. If you look back, you can see how long ago that was. That's when I got this hair. At the time, this was not a unit. This was just a regular sew-in with a closure. He helped me get my makeup done because I didn't have enough money to buy the hair, plus get my makeup done and get the dress for coronation and get the sash. Although the organization was paying for it, the first time I paid to get the sash done, the sash was done incorrectly, and I had to go back and pay her again to get a new sash. So I told him, like, well, you know, coordination's going on and stuff like that, and I don't have the money to get my sash plus all this other stuff that's going on. So he said, I'll help you out. I have a homegirl who do makeup, you know, just go to her, boom boom boom, she'll help you out. So she beat me real good, bitch. She beat me black and blue, bloop bloop bloop. If I still got videos in my phone, I will actually try to actually insert those for real.
No, I never said you took anything. I never said that.
Major Psychology, hometown, Lakeland, Florida.
Yes, Shaye. Yes, Shaye.
Details. Who is this? Who is this? Yes, I see you, girl. You look cute or whatever. Ow.
I was looking good. I was looking like I'm looking right now. Okay, she didn't do my makeup because that person is highly expensive. The person, my MUA that I normally go to, that I go to like for all my big time event or like picture taking and stuff like that, her name is Aaliyah. She's a Bahamian student that goes to my school. She's very affordable. She only charged me $20 for a natural beat because I already have lashes and stuff. So she only go to my homegirl. She'll hook you up. She gonna help you out. So she did. She hooked me up. She helped me out, and he paid for it. And that happened. You know, he didn't have really done much. Like, he threw me a couple dollars here and there and stuff like that, but never no big time like money. I never asked for no big time money because like I didn't know him that well, and then on top of that, I wasn't spending a lot of time with him to just be like, give me this, give me that. Like, I think he gave me $100 one time just because. I'm not sure. I can't remember, child. I had so many sugar daddies at this point, like, y'all don't even understand, because I have more story times to tell y'all how my regulars turned into my sugar daddies unconsciously. It wasn't ever nothing planned. Like, so basically, like, I can't even remember which one was which. Like, I can kind of remember like certain things. Like, back home, I had two dudes and one. So I was like, okay, whatever. It's Tuesday night. I have my meeting. When I get my meeting, we can go. But I'm gonna drive myself because he had done got so comfortable with me to the point where he wanted to drive me everywhere. And I'm like, I get you trying to save my gas, but I just don't want to ride with you. When I'm ready to leave, if I have somewhere to go after I leave you, I want to be able to go there. Not you drop me off, then I still gotta leave from. No, you know, because I have other niggas that I'm dealing with that are actually my niggas. So if I leave, I don't want to. Man, fuck all that. I'm tired of explaining myself. Basically, I was telling him, like, I don't want you to have that type of control over me. I don't want to be stuck if some shit happened. So he was like, okay, well, he's like, I can't get the hotel room for tonight because I waited too late, whatever. And blase. So he was like, my sister's out of town. We can go to her place. We had 10 minutes, bitch. Sorry, guys. This is where the story gets crunked the fuck up, okay? So let me tell you how this motherfucker, his sister, I'm thinking his sister, because he has, you know, his shit together. He's making over, well, he said he's making over, as a pharmacist, over $10,000 a month. I don't remember, something like that. I think he made like 100, like almost 200K a year. So he's telling me, you know, I'm thinking that maybe his sister, her place is nice. Now, I'm not that too comfortable with that because I didn't like that idea, like in somebody's private space, dancing and violating they, you know, sanctuary. So I really wasn't even okay with that idea. But he was like, what else can I do? Like, you know, and it's closer to you anyway. So I was like, okay, whatever. So I pulled up at the wrong house. And he was like, that's not it. I see your car drive down a little bit further. So that's exactly what I did. And when I get to the place, I'm like, okay, this is cute. You know, nothing major. It's cute. So I walk inside the house. And bitch, I'm shook of. Like, that was my mind. Like, as I'm looking at the place, I'm like, what am I looking at? What am I actually fucking looking at? Like, this mother sick dread. This lady place looked like somebody robbed her and threw all the shit they didn't want all around the room. Like, just things were thrown all over the place. And I'm just telling her, like, I'm telling him, like, so where am I supposed to be dancing? He was like, oh, in the room. So I'm like, please let this room be some type of clean. Like, so I look at the room. It's like, okay, it looks neat. Maybe he cleaned up the room or something while he was waiting on me. And I was like, okay, let me go in the bathroom and change. When I was in the bathroom, right, once I seen the place, I immediately knew, bitch, I'm not hanging out after I get done dancing. Like, I'm leaving right after. Give me my $100 and go. Now, normally he pays me my $100 before I even step foot back in the room. He normally gives me my money in advance. So this time I was like, let me see, because I feel like he finna, something in my spirit said, I feel like he finna pull some fuck shit. So let me see what the fuck finna happen.